Welcome to my class. Today I'll discuss analytical paragraph. An analytical paragraph is a form of descriptive writing which is written on the basis of a given chart, graph, data, outline, clues, table, etc. When writing an analytical paragraph, one should remember to describe the facts in the best possible manner and to cover the information provided. The analytical paragraph has to be written in around 100 to 120 words. So the paragraph must use clear and crisp language along with providing complete details of the chart given in the question. Features of an analytical paragraph writing. It describes the given chart, table, data, graph, etc. It should be brief and comprehensive at the same time. It should state facts that are provided by the chart. It is necessary to make use of simple and accurate language. It should mention figures and quantities appropriately. It is appropriate to use the same tense throughout the analytical paragraph. No personal observation or response should be provided. It would be preferable to use the passive form of the verb. Writing format of analytical paragraph. A paragraph should be divided into three parts. Number one, introduction. Number two, body. Number three, conclusion. In introduction, explain in one or two lines the subject of the graph or pie chart that is given to you in the question. And in body, you will explain in detail what the graph is about. You can use relevant figures, explain trends, make comparisons and contrast, divide it into sub paragraphs. That means you can make two more paragraphs if required. Then in conclusion, you will conclude the paragraph giving the overall view or summary of the paragraph. Read the question properly. In the question, it has been mentioned that your answer should be in 100 to 150 words. Though I mentioned earlier that your answer should be in 100 to 120 words, here maximum limit is 150. So here you have to follow the instructions accordingly. In the answer, you can see the expression the graph shows. On the other hand, you can use other expressions also, the chart given above describes, the table suggests, the line graph shows, the data given provides information about, the pie chart illustrates, etc. So you can use various expressions to make your answer different. Now, be ready for the assignment. The following table shows details about the internet activities for 6 categories for different age groups. Write an analytical paragraph for the table given in around 100 to 150 words. Happy learning.